Click play to start. Play! Hola, soy Dora. It's a puppy play day. Boots and I have been playing with Perrito's puppy skins, but press the up and down arrow keys to move Scooter up and down. We need to collect as many of Perrito's energy snacks as we can so he can keep going fast. Cuidado! We need to watch out for things in the road. If Scooter hits something in the road, we'll lose one of Perrito's energy snacks and slow down. Press the space bar to make Scooter do a magic jump. Podemos volar! We can fly! If you see arrows in the road, ride over them to make us go faster. Muy rápido! Steer over to a puppy when you see one. Ready to find those puppies? Fantástico! Vámonos! Let's go! All right! An energy snack for Perrito! Rápido! Nice jump! All right! Rápido! Here we go! Un perrito! Let's get that puppy! Whoop, mud! Cuidado! Nice jump! One puppy! Un perrito! Un perrito! Let's get that puppy! Two puppies! Dos perritos! Woohoo! Salta! Rápido! Un perrito! Let's get that puppy! Three puppies! Tres perritos! Whee! Un árbol! Watch out for the tree! Great jumping! Remember, press the up and down arrow keys to move around things in our way. Rápido! Here we go! All right! Four puppies! Cuatro perritos! We found four puppies! Cuatro perritos! Fantástico! Now let's look for more puppies by the river. Keep going! Woohoo! Here we go! Un perrito! Let's get that puppy! Now we have five puppies! Cinco perritos! Now we're flying! Nice jump! Yeah! Rápido! Un perrito! Let's get that puppy! Six puppies!